Okay. Can we do? We made great progress by looking at the downs, right? I mean, again, well, that's no help here because 1, 3, 5, but 1, 3, 5, and this is a 2 or a 4. Okay. Maybe I don't know that this is going to help, but let's see what happens.
The one above it has to be
2, 4. 2, 4, right? So now, if it's addition, it can't be 4 and 4, but it could be 2 and 6. So this could be a 6, right? Or if it's multiplication, it could be 4 times 2 or 2 times 4. So in fact, you could have a 4 or a 2 here, right?
Can I speed things up by telling you the illegal way to do the next step here?
I was going to mention that myself. I claim this has to be a 6 for an illegal. This is if you assume there's a solution to the puzzle, a unique solution. This has to be 6. Here, I'll let you think about it for a second. Imagine that it's not 6. Okay, that it's suppose that 6 is not here. So it's a 2, 4, and it's 2, 4 here.
no.
There's 4 choices. Yes, 4 places to put the 2 and 4. Absolutely. Okay. 4 and the 6 would have to be in that 8 box, which would mean you'd have to have ones in the 2 other ones in that upper corner.
Oh, that's a legal reason.
No, that's a legal reason. We want an illegal reason. I think you got the idea here.
Yeah.
Here's the idea. If this is not a 6, then this is a 2 or a 4 in some order, right? This is a 2 or a 4 in some order. So if this is 2, 4, 2, 4, but it would work to flip them. So there would be 2 solutions. Do you see that? And so if you assume the Sudoku puzzle creator really did create a puzzle that has a unique solution, then it can't be 2, 4, and 2, 4 because you could put the 2 and the 4 in 2 different ways, and either one would be correct, and that would mean the puzzle did not have a unique solution. Oh, you got it? I mean, it's like when you're working a multiple choice test. You've eliminated, there's 4 choices and you've eliminated 3 of them. Even if you can't calculate the 4th one, you know it's right. And that's sort of what we're doing here. We say, well, whoever made this up is smarter than I am, and I'm sure he figured out how to do it correctly. So that means he could not have possibly had a 2, 4 and a 2, 4 here.
I think I might have messed up another solution.
Fill it in. Okay, so we'll put in the 6. This will speed things. How much time do I have?
About 30 seconds.
Okay. 6, and that means this is 2, and that means that's 4, and that means that's 2. We may not finish this.
Well, you've got a 4 now in the 6-2 row.
Oh, yeah, this has got to be 4, right? Because we've got a 1, 3, 5 across here. Okay, to get a 12, it has to be 2 and 6 because we can't have 3 and 1. No, can't have 3 and 1, so it has to be a 2 and a 6. So 2 and 6, and that means this will be the 4, right? Then what? 1, 3.
You have 5 4s now.
Oh, we've got 5 4s, so we can stick in the 6th 4. It's got to be in this row. This got to be a 4.
But also that top left, you can't make 8 with a 4 and a 5.
Right, because
if it was a 4 and a 3, you need a 1, which you can't have because of the top right corner.
Right, because you need a 1, 3. So that means it's a 4, 4, 2, 1. Will that work?
Yeah, it has to be a 1, 2.
So there's a 2, there's a 1, and that means this is the 6, right? 6?
Yeah.
And so that's a 3, that's a 1, and so that has to be a 5, and that means that has to be a 1 or a 3, so it's a 3 and a 1, so that means that has to be a 5, and that means that has to be a 3, and that has to be a 1, and that has to be a 5, a 3, a 1, a 5, a 3, a 1, a 3, a 5, 6, and 4 is 10, and 2 is 12, and 6, and 2. So what could be easier?
Nice.